Morning light in my window taps between winter and spring. There's no gaps. The chill hits my skin, but I'm still warm. In this moment, life's free from harm. Snow fades away and green starts to glow. Cold whispers blend as blossoms grow. I breathe the air, it's fresh and clean, lost in the space in between. Hear the birds sing melodies clear, echoes of a season drawing near. Feel the wind, it's soft like a dream. Morning light flows like a stream. Step outside, see the world rebirth like an old song with a brand new verse. Raindrops fall like kisses of earth. Moments like these have their worth. Every morning a canvas blank. Winter's chill and spring's thanking bank. Memories form in nature's